Hey, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Mirelle here. Today I'm doing a layout for a new series that I'm doing, a new collaboration YouTube Instagram hop, and it's called Get in Shape. And each month we're going to be focusing on different shapes in our scrapbooking. And for the month of January we are doing circles. So I have my circle punch here, my 2-inch punch, a whole assortment of pretty pattern papers, my title, which is going to be Sweetheart because it's of a photo of my daughter when she was way littler than she is now, and then a whole heap of embellishments. I have an idea in my head sorry, of what I want to do, and it involves folded circles, so we'll see what happens. And I've just got a whole lot of embellishments in, like, your pinks. I picked up the colours from the papers, your pinks and your oranges and little bits and pieces. So I don't know how much of this is going to land on the page because I have an awful lot here, but I thought, well, it's better to have too much of a choice than not enough. Now I do want to try and finish off this this chipboard packet here sorry, which is from Bella Boulevard, and I don't know if it has a date, but anyway, it only has like a ladybug, a leaf, half a watermelon, a tree, and a little circle thing here. It looks like a starburst, and all smiles. That's all that's left on there. So I thought surely I can fit them in somewhere. So that's my goal, hopefully. I also want to use some of these rub-ons, and we'll see what I could do. Now, I've never done folded circles before. I've seen layouts of them lots of times, and I think they're easy, but I don't know, maybe they're not. So anyway, I'm going to start, I think, with my rub-ons, make some circles, folded circles. I won't probably be using the bright green or the dark green. Yeah, I'm just going to do an assortment of circles, attempt to fold them, and let's see what I can do. Okay, I'll be back at the end. Okay, there is my layout for the Get in Shape YouTube Instagram hop using circles. Now, it doesn't look like I've used circles, except for there's, I guess, a circle in a ladybug and a circle in a tree. But these are in fact circles that I have folded. Now, they look a lot easier than they are to do. Oh my goodness, do not look closely at these. There's some that are really big folded flaps, some that are more rectangle than square. I did try and score them and see if that made a difference, but then I either scored too small or too big. So anyway, they are what they are, and it's a learning curve. So now I know not how easy they are, but how effective they look. I'm going to go away and find those YouTubers who have made it look easy and will show us how easy it actually is, rather than me trying to guess how to do it and them sort of turning out. But it was fun, and that's what I like to do, challenge myself and do fun stuff. So now I've got a challenge myself to go and find out how to do it properly. But anyway, it looks okay. I only used the 2 sheets of paper in the end. I thought it's going to be way too busy if I include others, because there's lots of patterns anyway in these papers. So like this paper is not just the one pattern all over. Oops, like this one. This one has, you know, all your different flowers. So they all came out a little bit different. So I thought, well, that's enough variety. And I kept it at just those 2 sheets of paper. I used all but 2 from this chipboard sheet. So this can now go in the bin. And I've got a watermelon and a leaf left over. Sorry, so they will go in my stash. I'm sure I'll use them on a summer page or something coming up. And then these rub-ons, oh my gosh, the date on these is 2009. Would you believe they still work like a charm? It took a lot of effort, like a lot of strength, to rub them. Oh, so sorry. Oh, a lot of strength to rub them, but I do have weak wrists, so that's probably why they didn't come out perfect. You can see a little bit where it didn't quite come out quite right, but 99% of it worked, and it worked like a charm. So I'm so surprised. Amazing. I probably had these since 2009. Yeah, look at the style of that page there. Yeah. So I am so excited that these still work. So I was going to give these away, throw them out, but nope, they are staying in the stash. So there you go. So if you want to see what everyone else has done, there'll be a playlist below so you can see what everyone else has done with circles this month. Make sure you come back next month for the shape that we'll be highlighting. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.